Okay, everybody, just a quick little video here on how to use your calculator to find the values of trig functions. So I'm going to demonstrate on some pretty basic ones first. If you got a really nice calculator, play around with it. You should be able to figure it out based on this. But for the most part, easy ones are the basic sine, cosine, tangent, because those buttons are right on your calculators, okay? I got to get out of this first. There we go. And then, so you want to find the cosine of a 58-degree angle, for example, all you got to do is hit cosine, and then you got to hit 58. Close it up, boom, and you're done. So you get 0.5299 for the cosine of 58 degrees. No worries. These are the ones you got to work backwards on. So in other words, what I got to do is I got to hit the 58-degree angle first, then hit the cosine button, but you get still 0.5299. Go to 4 decimal places. Also make sure your calculators are in degrees. These normally are set that way. These you got to look down here where it says degree. To change it, hit this little DRG button, hit it where it says degree, and you should be good to go. All right. Now, cosecant, the reciprocal functions are harder, like the secants, the cosecants, the cotangent, because these are flipped. In other words, this is 1 over the sine of 25 degrees. So basically just do that on your calculator, which is nice. Just go 1, then divided by, then hit the sine of 25 degrees. And should be good to go there. 2.3662. 2.3662. Now there's a little trick I would do is I'd say, listen, since you have to work backwards, go ahead and hit 25 of sine, get that value, and then flip it. In other words, that 1 over x button, or the reciprocal button, boom, 2.3662. Now here we get the inverse functions. In other words, this is where we're looking for the angle. In other words, so remember this for the ACT, because this is how it will look. Tangent inverse 1.3764 is equal to A. In other words, I'm looking for the angle that has a tangent of 1.3764. So again, this is kind of nice. These are right on your calculator, but it's the second function. So hit second function tangent. So there it is, tangent inverse 1.3764. Boom, should get the answer. That's a 54-degree angle, and just round to the nearest degree. So that's a 54-degree angle. Here now, again, what you're going to do is you got to hit the second function thing. So hit that little second function until you see that, ooh, inverse tangent. But again, you got to work backwards, 1.3764, then go inverse tangent. There's your 54-degree angle. Now, these are the trickiest ones of all, because now you have to remember, this is 1 over the cosine of A equals 1301. So if you do a little algebra, that means 1 divided by 2.1301 is equal to the cosine of A. So that means you want to go the inverse of that 1 over 2.1301. And that's going to give you A. But the nice thing is on most of your calculators, you can probably just do that, right? So just go again, just go second cosine inverse, and then just go 1 divided by 2.1301, and you should get the answer. Boom, 62 degrees. Now again, play around with that a little bit if you can, right? 62 degrees. These, again, a little bit dicey. So what I would do is simply this. You're still in this inverse, or the second part of this. I would do that first. Go 1 divided by 2.1301 equals, and then hit inverse cosine of that, and you should get your 62 degrees. Good luck, everybody. Call with questions.